Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set financial goals with Klover. So let's get straight into the video. When it comes to setting financial goals, what you need to do first of all is to log into your Klover account, and then you want to click the goals and or financial goals tab, and then just choose a goal category. That could be savings for emergency funds, it could be paying off debt or building wealth, whatever. Just choose a goal category, and then you can set a specific goal, such as, I want to save $1,000 for emergency funds, or paying off $5,000 in credit card debt, whatever. Just set a specific goal, and that's going to help you to set up the financial goals. Now when it comes to customizing your goals, the first thing you want to note is to set a target date. So you want to set a target date for achieving said goal, and you can also determine a monthly contribution to help you reach your goal. So that could be, $1,000 a month or whatever. Just set that monthly contribution, and of course you can choose a funding source, such as a linked bank account or a payroll that's going to help you to fund that goal. And then you can just set reminders and notifications to stay on track with your goals. Now for tracking progress, you have goal dashboards, where you can view a dashboard of your goals, including the progress as well as how much is left. You also have tracking metrics, so you can track metrics such as savings rates, debt repayment progress. It could be investment returns. You also have adjusting contributions, so you're going to adjust your monthly contributions as needed to stay on track with your savings goals. A couple of tips for setting financial goals and such with Klover. The first, of course, is to make goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and of course time bound. So you want to be smart with that. So of course you also need to prioritize goals based on importance and urgency. You also want to regularly review progress and adjust contributions as needed. And also don't forget to celebrate milestones and progress along the way, because small progress gives us motivation to make bigger progress. So make sure to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.